Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to install Steam on your PC or laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! With a slew of first-party and third-party titles available, Steam is one of the most popular ways for gamers to experience their favorite games. Additionally, much of Steam's success comes from the fact that the platform often offers various sales on old and new titles, allowing users to purchase their favorite games at a discounted rate. So what if you want to download Steam on your PC or laptop? It's very simple. So first of all, you can search on your browser Steam and you can select on Welcome to Steam. So here's the Steam website. You can install by clicking in here, Install Steam. You can click on that. Select on Install Steam for Windows. Now you can open the downloaded Steam Setup X. You can click on that and we can wait the process. You can select on Next. You can select on the language that you use, English for the example. After that, click Next, Install. Click on Install, click on Next, and you can wait until the Steam completing the Steam setup. Now it's still updating system, extracting the files. You can wait until it finishes, and after that you can use the Steam. You can download or install any games from Steam to your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? You can just wait. It's still updating. I'll make it faster. Now it's finished. You can open the Steam, and in here you can create your Steam account if you don't have, but if you already have Steam account, you can just sign in on it. But if you don't know how to create account on Steam, I will show you on my next video. You can just watch on my next video. It's very simple, right? So that is how to install, how to update Steam on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.